Good morning to all. I am G.A. Hegde, working as Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, KGF First Aid College, KGF, Oregon. Today, we shall discuss about the second session of Inorganic Polymers. This chapter is included for third semester BSc, Bangalore North University. In this session, we will discuss about the molecular weight of polymers and the preparation and applications of plastics. Under this, we shall discuss molecular weight of polymers, preparation of thermoplastics, preparation of thermosetting plastics, applications of thermo and thermosetting plastics. After studying this, you will understand about the molecular weight of polymers, preparation of synthetic polymers, domestic and commercial applications of some thermosoftening and thermosetting plastics. In order to understand this, you must have the knowledge of molecular weight, raw materials, what are thermo and thermosetting plastics, and also knowledge of type of polymers. With this, let us discuss the molecular weight of polymers. The first one is weight average molecular weight. It is represented by MW bar. It is the mean of the molecular weight of different species in proportion to their weight fractions. Let small m be the contribution of the species of molecular weight capital M. Then total weight of species small m of molecular weight capital M is equal to small m into capital M. In a sample, capital M1, M2 be the molecular weights of the species of small m1, m2, etc. Then weight average molecular weight is given by mw bar is equal to small m1 capital M1 plus small m2 capital M2 plus dash dash divided by small m1 plus small m2 plus dash dash. Weight of each kind of species is given by small m is equal to small n into capital M, where n is equal to number of molecules. Then small m1 capital M1 is equal to small n1 capital M1 into capital M1, that's equal to small n1 capital M1 square. Similarly, small m2 capital M2 is equal to small n2 capital M2 square. Therefore, average molecular weight MW bar is given by N1 M1 square plus N2 M2 square plus dash dash divided by N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus dash dash, that's equal to summation N1 M1 square plus N2 M2 square plus dash dash divided by summation N1 M1 plus N2 M2 plus dash dash, or MW bar is equal to summation Ni Mi. The second one is number average molecular weight Mn bar. Number average molecular weight of a polymer is the total weight of the polymer divided by the total number of molecules present in the sample. Let capital M1, M2, etc. be the molecular weight of the molecules and small n1, n2, etc. be the number of each such molecule respectively, then total number of molecules is equal to N1 plus N2 plus dash dash. Total mass of the polymer is equal to small n1 capital M1 plus N2 M2 plus dash dash, that's equal to Ni Mi. Therefore, number average molecular weight is equal to Mn bar, that's equal to summation Ni Mi over Ni. Preparation. The first one, phenol formaldehyde. When phenol is reacted with excess of formaldehyde and alkali catalyst, short chain polymer is formed. 4HCHO plus 3 molecules of phenol in presence of alkaline catalyst gives rise to phenol formaldehyde oligomer, which is also called as aerosol. On heating, these chains increases in length, which finally cross-link to form hard insoluble plastic bakelite. N number of phenol plus N number of formaldehyde gives rise to bakelite. It is thermosetting plastic. Uses of thermosetting plastic. It is used in electrical switches, radio and telephone casings, handle for kitchenwares, toys, etc. The second one is polyvinyl chloride. It is prepared by the polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of sunlight and hydrogen peroxide as catalyst. N number of vinyl chloride undergoes polymerization to polyvinyl chloride. It is a thermosoftening plastic. The uses of thermosoftening plastics are: number 1, in pipes, second one, in plastic bags, third one, containers, fourth one, bottles, and the last one, insulation cables, etc. You just recall what we discussed so far. We have discussed for 2 types of molecular weights of polymers: preparation of synthetic addition polymer like polyvinyl chloride, preparation of synthetic condensation polymer like bakelite, and also applications of both types of polymers. After studying this, let us try to answer some simple questions. The first question is, the monomers used in bakelite is, the answer for this one is phenol and formaldehyde. The second question is, the monomer in PVC is, the answer is C, vinyl chloride. The next one is, the bakelite is a polyamide. The next is, the example for homopolymer is polythene. The next one is, the example for heteropolymer is polypyrrole. To prepare this, I have referred these textbooks and also internet. You can also refer these textbook and internet for further information. Thank you.